Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from our weekly spot. We are back at CVS, about to get into our second week of this 2-week ad. And I told you guys we would be back this week because we got some new coupons today that I want to do. So in this video, we're going to do all new deals from the deals that we did last week. And since this is the same ad that we're shopping from the previous week, I'm not going to be buying as much this week, even though we will have a pretty full haul, because I already shopped this ad last week. So I'm just going to do one transaction today using one CVS card. So this should be some of the easiest couponing ever. First deal up, I want to tell you guys about, I'm not sure that I'm going to do, I got to think about it. I got to think about this, but it's not a bad deal if you need this product. So the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner is buy two, get back two. We do have brand new 75-cent coupons, and when you buy two at buy one, get one 50% off, you'll get back a $2 extra buck. So these two before coupons would be $6.43. Use two of the 75-cent coupons. We have printable and we also have digital coupons. We probably also have these on ShopMe'em. That would leave you to pay $4.93 at the register. Then you get back that $2 extra buck, making your final cost $2.93 or $1.46 each. If you are interested in the holiday clearance, it has dropped to 75% for select items right now, so you can scan away and see what your store has. I'm not really interested in the holiday clearance this year. I just haven't really been feeling it. So I decided to pass on these items. Now, if we do happen to get a 90% drop, they're saying that we're not going to get it this year, but they said the same thing last year and we got it. So I'm going to hold tight a little bit longer. If we do get a 90% drop, I might look a little bit harder, but you can definitely peek around your store to see if you have any gems in this clearance section. Next that we're grabbing is the buy one, get one 50% off, buy four, get back 10 on Boost products. So this is one of the deals I was excited about doing this week when we got our coupon. So I'm going to be picking up a total of 4 of these for $11.99, buy one, get one 50% off. So when we pick up 4, that's going to total us up to $35.97 with the sale. I'm going to be using 2 of the 6 off of 2 coupons from today's inserts. I think our $5 digital will also come off. I'll pay out $18.97 and get back a $10 extra buck, making my final cost for all 4 $8.97 or $2.24 each. Now, if you have a 4 off of 12 for like protein shakes, you want to add that into the mix. That'll make your final cost $4.97 for all 4 or $1.25 each. I'm not going to bother with that this week. I'm just going to throw these in with a 10 off of 60. So it'll be about the same difference after everything is factored in. Next deal I want to grab is on the Glucerna, because we have a brand new rebate for the Glucerna on this website, glucernarebate.com, where you can get up to $15 back on a Glucerna product. So I want to see how that's going to partner in with this buy 3, get back 8 on Glucerna products. So we're going to pick up a total of 3 of the bars for $7.29 each. That totals up to $21.87. I'm going to use 3 of the $4 coupons from the 1/7 save, and I should pay out $9.87 at the register. Then I'll get back a $8 extra buck, making my final cost $1.87. And then I'm also going to submit back for the total cost of one of these boxes, which should be $7.29 back. If that comes back, these should be a $5.42 moneymaker. So fingers crossed that all works well. I'm gonna need to bulk my transaction up so that I can use my threshold coupons. In order to do that, I'm gonna be grabbing some of these Clairol's textures and tones. So these are marked for 20% off, but they're actually $2.71. So I am going to be picking up 2 of them. That'll be $5.42. We have a $5 coupon, digital and printable, that'll make them 21 cents each. Great item just to bulk up that total so that you can get to your threshold. The next deal I'm going to be grabbing is the spend 20, get back 10 on Eucerin and Aquaphor products. So this is another deal I was excited about doing this week. So the first item I'm going to be grabbing in this deal is 2 of these Eucerin hand creams. I noticed with the wording on the new coupon that we got in today's inserts and our new digital that this product actually applies, because the 5-ounce size restriction is only on body products, not hand products, which is why this coupon is still fine. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these because they're just $6.29. And then I also want to grab a Aquaphor healing ointment. Now for the Aquaphor healing ointment, I wanted to grab the one that's $7.59, the 1.75 ounce. My store is still out of that one, so my store is being oh so kind, and they're allowing me to substitute out the 3 ounce for the same price since they haven't had it in such a long time. But when you do this deal, you definitely want to pick up that 1.75 ounce. 3 of these items total up to $20.17. For the Eucerin, I'm going to be using the 5 off of 2 paper coupon that we just got today. I think the $3 digital is going to apply as well. For the Aquaphor, we have a $3 printable coupon, or you can use the $3 digital coupon as well. I got up to the front. My $3 digital did not come off for the Aquaphor, and I think it's because there was a lot of cross attaching here with these 3 items, meaning that one of the Eucerin coupons attached to the Aquaphor. So just keep that in mind. If you have a coupon that doesn't come off in this issue, you might have to use a paper coupon because they're cross attaching since they're the same family of products. But 2017, with the 5 and the 3 coming off for the Eucerin and that $3 for the Aquaphor, that's going to give us a total of $11 in coupon savings. That'll make your total at the register $9.17, and then you'll get back a $10 extra buck, making these 3 and 83-cent moneymaker. If you have a lotion CRT, you can add that in. These will be a $2.83 moneymaker. Another way that you can prevent the cross attaching is you can scan the 2 Eucerin, then scan the $5 coupon, and then scan your Aquaphor last. So that's another way that you can do that, just to make sure that that $5 coupon goes to the Eucerin. This week, as far as clearance markdowns, we do have some new markdowns in oral care. So I noticed at my other store that this big bottle, the 1-liter bottle of the Colgate Total, was on clearance at $2.99. I checked the price here and it's only like $5.71, so I'm going to wait on it at this store, but definitely scan that item if it's not tagged at your store to see if it's $2.99. Next that we're going to grab is the Spend 30 Get 10. I'm going to start out by getting a paper product. I am going to be grabbing the Bounty. We're going to get the 6 = 12 double rolls. So these are $15.99. Since my Ibotta offer did reset for $4 back, I am going to grab that, and we're going to submit back for the $4 rebate on Ibotta. We also have a $1 digital. If you're watching this video and for some reason the Bounty rebate has already expired, then you can just grab a Tide detergent instead. These are $14.99, and we have a $3 digital coupon, so it'll work out to the same price for this deal. The next item we're going to be grabbing is 2 of the Pantene nutrient blends. These are 2 for $16, and we have $2 Ibotta rebates. You might also have a CVS coupon for these items, so just check your account. So this is our complete Spend 30 deal. This totals up to $31.99, so we are well in the clear to get back that $10 extra buck. For the Pantene, you want to check your CVS account to see if you have like a 4 off of 16 Pantene CRT, or you might have a 2 off of 6. With the 4 off of 16, you can add that in. That'll give you $4 in savings since we're grabbing these 2 for $16. Then we want to get the $1 digital coupon for the Bounty. That'll bring us down to $26.99 at the register. So you'll pay out $26.99, get back the $10 extra buck. That'll bring you down to $16.99 in store. But you're going to submit over to Ibotta for $4 on the Bounty and $4 on the Pantene. It'll make your final cost for all 3 items just $8.99. Now it's time to announce the winner of this week's $25 CVS e-gift card giveaway. The winner is Amber Dawn Smith 9998. Amber, congratulations to you. If you will send me an email at couponingwithstar@gmail.com by Saturday, I will get you verified and get your gift card over to you. And then of course we're going to do it again. All you have to do to enter this week's giveaway is leave a comment down below. You must be subscribed to the channel and then hit that thumbs up button. And if you need laundry detergent, it's an easy option just to grab all laundry products this week on the Spend 30, but it's a little bit more pricey. So you can grab one of these Tide for $14.99, use that $3 digital coupon. Then we're going to grab a Gain for $14.99. We're going to be using the $3 digital coupon on it. So after our $6 in digital coupons for each product, we'll pay out $23.98 and then get back a $10 extra buck. Makes our final cost for these two $13.98. or $6.99 each. That's like doing a buy one get one free, so you'll pay $6.99 for each one. I'm not going to grab this spend 30 option on the one a day vitamins, but it's not a bad deal if you need it. So you can pick up 2 of the one a day gummies. You want to get the bigger bottles that are like 110, 170 count for $22.49. So 2 of them at the buy one get one 50% off price will bring you down to $33.73. We have an 8 off of 2 coupon that we just got in today's inserts that you can use. The printable coupon is not working for this, so don't use the one from coupons.com. But if you get inserts, that $8 coupon is working. So that'll bring you down to $25.73. And I think that $8 digital will also come off as well. So that'll leave you to pay out $17.73 for these 2 and then get back 10, making both of these just $7.73. Next items we're grabbing are 2 more of the General Mills cereal. These are still $1.99. We have a brand new digital that popped up that'll give us $2 in savings, since both of these coupons will apply to these 2 boxes, leaving us to pay just 99 cents each at the register. And then of course you want to check Ibotta and Fetch Rewards. If you have $1 off of 2 back, these will be just 49 cents. This next item is going to be a filler for me. I'm going to pick up one of these Colgate Plaque Pro Release. So these are $9.99. When you spend 10, you'll get back 4. With the CVS 98% rule, that $9.99 is close enough to get back that $4 extra back. I'm going to use a $5 digital coupon, pay out $4.99, and then get back 4, making this 99 cents. All right, you guys, so we're going to go up now and do our transaction. I have my paper coupons pulled over here. These all came from today's inserts. I got the Boost, the Glucerna, and the Eucerin. Everything else is digital and loaded to my card, so let's see how this deal goes.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So let's go over this receipt for this transaction. Everything went beautifully, you guys. There's our Pantene, our General Mills, our Bounty, our Clairol. There is the Boost. There is the Aquaphor, the Eucerin, the Glucerna. So here are all of the manufacturer coupons that we use at the top. Everything scanned just fine. Now, I did have to go back and add a coupon, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. But the digitals came off with the exception of my Aquaphor, and that is why I had to add a coupon at the last minute. But that is a good situation, because that confirmed that those printable Eucerin coupons from coupons.com are scanning. So everything scanned just fine. The General Mills digitals came off. The Colgate digital came off. The Clairol came off, along with that Boost coming off. 210 off of 60 coupons. I was able to use both of them because this was well over $120 worth of product. So with this being over $120, both of those coupons could combine, and I went way over just to ensure that those coupons would come off. And then I rolled in $55 in extra bucks. That left my subtotal at $2.38. So we spent out $57.38 for this deal. Now let's talk about what we got back. So we got back $10 for the Eucerin Aquaphor, $10 for our spend 30. So these deals are resetting every week because I did the spend 30 last week. We got back the $4 for the Colgate. I did that last week, so it is resetting. The $8 for the Glucerna, and then the $10 for the Boost. And then of course I submitted this receipt over to Ibotta, and I got back a total of $9 in cash back that reimbursed us for the actual cash that we spent. So that is a total of $51 back after we spent out 57. That would make this all $6.38. But there's more because we submitted over for $7.29 for the Glucerna mini treats. So if that goes through, that's going to make everything completely free here, plus about a $1 moneymaker. So since that takes about 48 hours to process, I will update in the pinned comment on this video, and I'll put a little post on the community tab to let you guys know how that worked out. With that $7, you guys, this is all going to be what our favorite price, super duper free. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know how you're feeling about this 2-week ad situation so far. It's not too bad to me. This video should actually be quicker since I didn't have so much to do this week, so I should get it up earlier for you guys. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I will talk to you soon.